Just put mothballs in the fabric softener, and you'll thank me later. To begin our tip today, we will use naphthalene. Ideal is to put inside a plastic bag, and then use a hammer to grind fully. Once we get to this point, we can see that naphthalene has turned to dust. Make this mixture in your home. I'm sure you will be surprised by the result. Then we will put in another container, and also add a liter of hot water. Ideally mix well as soon as you add a new ingredient. After mixing, we will need to add vinegar. I will put 100 milliliters and then mix again. My visitors always ask me what my secret of why my bathroom is so smelly and my floor so clean. This mixture is perfect for floor cleaning, serving even the outside area of your home. And only if necessary use a broom to scrub. We will also need 50 milliliters of fabric softener. The brand can also be your preference. You can use the lid itself as a meter, like I'm doing here, and mix everything again. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Beth Ramirez from Brampton. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Just a small amount of product is enough for use for a month. Now to reinforce at the time of cleaning, let's put 3 tablespoons of detergent. The brand can be of your preference. The use of detergent is essential because it acts against fat and facilitates cleaning. And to finish our homemade tip today, we will need another 500 milliliters of water. And mix everything well again until all the ingredients are mixed with water. After all mixed, we will need an empty bottle, facilitating at the time of application and also in storage. I'm using a funnel not to waste the product. Just this amount is more than enough to use for at least a month. After our mixture is in the bottle, it will look like this, and we will close here. I have already made a small hole in the lid to facilitate the application. Just applying directly to the toilet and rubbing. We already achieved a great result. The best thing is that this mixture works perfectly for a thorough cleaning of the bathroom. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.